Hey everyone, welcome back to part two. All right, as you can see, they have risen. I did cut them in half. You'll see the previous video where they were long. Well, I went ahead and did another batch and I cut them in half, just like they are here. And you see they're nice and fluffy and big. They have another 2 more minutes and they're going to be going in the oven. I have here some melted butter. And all I'm going to do is just like this, just wipe it down, just the top of them. And what that's going to do, that's just going to give it a nice little brown topping on it. But I'm not going to bore you with this. This is going to be going in the oven at 375 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. We will check them after 15 and make sure that everything is going good because every oven is different. And when they're different, so is the cooking. Cooking is also different. All right, guys, back in a little bit. We'll get them in the oven. Alrighty, everyone. Well, here's a great scenario for you all. Now, I have a smoker. I wasn't going to put these in the smoker and cook them on the smoker, but my stove decided to take a crap out on me. So, now, I set my smoker for 375 degrees. We're going to go ahead and put them in there and cook them just like we're going to cook them, like we will cook them in the oven, but on the smoker. So, let's get it started here. All right, so you can see we have them in the smoker. I have some water in here. I want a little bit of moisture in here. We're going ahead and cook these. Like I said, we're going to cook these for between 20 to 25 minutes at 375 degrees. Alrighty, folks. So we've had them in there for 35 minutes, and they are done. And these things look absolutely fantastic. Already, these are done, and but they're a little warm, but they are completely done through and through. I'm going to pick one up. Look at that. Oh, look at that golden brown on the bottom, guys. That is perfect. Oh, yeah, guys. Look at that. Look at that color. Oh, man. They are a little warm because they just got out, but they are fully and completely cooked. Boy, are they hot. Best's fingers. A little bit of a best's fingers, yes, but they're still hot. All right, we're going to let these cool off, guys, but I'm going to finish this video. Do me a favor. Make sure you check out part one where I made the dough, and this is part two. Today is part three. As always, God bless and happy eats.